want to do circles and some spice and some more circles for Saturn and some spice.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Saudi. On this channel, I'm mainly going to be focusing on home decorating, which is something that I'm obsessed about, and I'm an interior decorator, so I thought why not put all of my ideas on YouTube and share it with you guys, which was the main reason why I decided to, jump on YouTube. But I'm here. Welcome to the family. I've been wanting to transform my decorating for a very long time now, but it's I've just never had the time to do that, so I decided to just do it this week while he was on holiday, because they got a whole half term 1 week holiday. I was like, you know what, this is the perfect opportunity to get his room back to how I kind of want it, how he wants it as well, not just me but mainly me. Yeah, so we're gonna just spend a lot of time just doing that this week. We're gonna just get everything out from that room and just organize it and just make it look more like a room. Out. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move the wardrobe onto that side, and I'm gonna put his gesture drawer on that side and see how it looks, because I tried to put the wall shelves on there, but the walls are not strong enough.
And this is a little bit gonna be what can I talk now? This is gonna be a little bit here. The charge is gonna be next to there. My mom has to get ready of this, and I'm gonna pick all of the toys I need, and I think I'm gonna put my book storage in this corner. I'm gonna put all of my toys. I'm gonna remove this, so where else my bed is gonna be there, and after I think my toy storage is gonna be where the heat is, and after me and Mom are gonna get ready of all of the boxes, and my mum is gonna put one of those things here or anywhere else, and she's gonna put plants under there, and after she is gonna decorate her room. Now you should.
So guys, I was able to put the wall shelves up. It was a disaster, but we did it. We are here. We did it, guys. We did it. But anyways, so I'm gonna go on and clean up here. It looks like a mess right now. All the small toys, all the Legos and all the other bricks and everything in one place, just to make it a bit more organized, because he was just basically gonna put everything in this little box thing, but I was like, you know what, let's just be organized. But yeah, this is the state of the room right now. We're almost there, guys, but there's still a bit more that needs clearing. I need to vacuum, I need to put away all this bits and bobs, and see, there's still a bit more because I ordered some stickers, like wallpapers, because I wanted to paint the wall, but because we're renting, so it wouldn't make sense to paint it, so I'm just going to leave it white, but I'm just going to cover that area up with some like stickers, and yeah, see how that goes. And that was the area where we wanted to put the shelf in, but yeah, it was a wrong attempt. But yeah, this is how everything looks for now, until everything is like all packed up, and yeah, see how it's gonna look like after. This is his bed. The good thing about this bed is that it stretches out, so he's probably gonna have this until he's like 10, let's say. And over there he's got his little chest of drawers. I decided to just leave it plain and empty, so I took all his cream stuff that I placed there the last time, put them in the bathroom, and just leave it just plain. And then on top he's got just his favorite books on the top of the his wall shelves, and just little bits of all his favorite stuff that he likes. And oh, this is like my favorite part, that I actually like this, that he's got like all his favorite little cars that he normally plays with, so I just placed them on there. And I got like one of the books, obviously we're like godly people. One of them obviously just is just a story about Moses, and obviously his name is Moses, so I decided to just put it on there. He's got his little clock thing, and over here it's just books, like a lot of books that we normally read, because we normally read like books at night, and that's his little solar system book. That's like his favorite. And I put like candles and just a bit of flour on this side. It's just more books basically. I got this little lamp from IKEA, but I don't really know how it works, so we're gonna figure that out. And yeah, that's his glow in the dark lamp as well. He's got so many, but decided to just leave one out. And as we come down, he's got his little picture. It's like my favorite picture. I decided to just leave it in his room. And yeah, really on this side he's got his little basket with just his little favorite teddy bears and everything, and he's got his wardrobe over here. Still need to organize it, but for now we're just gonna close it. Okay, it's a bit embarrassing. Got his little mirror. Oh, hi Moses, over there. And yeah, that's about it really. So it looks like. So tomorrow I'm gonna like put some more stuff on the wall. By the way, yeah, I still need to cover all these stains from the wall, but I'm gonna just cover them up with like sticky wallpapers. What are you doing? They're like stickers. So I got like a few of them. I'm still waiting for them to come actually. I'm gonna place them on there just to hide that little mess over there. And over here he's got his little basketball cot thing. He doesn't really use it much, but yeah, really, this is how he looks like. In that corner, guys, I actually forgot, he's got like, because obviously we organize all his toys and everything, so there is just temporary. I still need to like put something on there. I don't know what I'm gonna put on there, but I need to like maybe get him like a little storage to put all his bits and bobs in there. And then yeah, but for now it's just gonna just stay like that for now until I come up, you know, with a solution for it. But yeah, that's about it really. I'm gonna just show you guys a preview. I still need to fix, I need to get a new blind, when the blind he did that actually. But yeah, this is how everything looks, guys. I hope you like it, but I'll update you guys on like how everything goes. This is just how everything looks after like just moving, rearranging everything and putting up the wall shelves and everything. The next stage is just gonna be putting up the stickers on the wall and like finding a little storage basket to put on there. Maybe get him more plant, maybe, I don't know. But till then, this is just how he looks like.